Welcome to Section 2, Launch Your First Web Stack in GCP. In this video, I want to give you a quick introduction to Google Cloud Launcher. Google Cloud Launcher allows you to easily and quickly deploy software packages and the infrastructure that supports them. And you don't need to have a deep understanding of how Google Cloud Platform works, and you also don't need to have a deep understanding of how cloud infrastructure and architecture works in general. The idea of Google Cloud Launcher is with just a few clicks, you can launch any number of commonly used software stacks. Google Cloud Launcher is based on templates that vendors have created using Jinja or Python, and Jinja is a derivative of Python. Here's what basic template looks like in Jinja, and I really just stole this off the GCP documentation. But you get the idea, it's not really that complicated. To access the Google Cloud Launcher, you simply click the hamburger icon up in the top left, and then the first item on the menu is Cloud Launcher with the little rocket ship icon.